There's one. There's one. He's not that big, but he's got weeds. Okay, finally. That was the first one in a long time we've gotten. There we go. There again. See, ladies and gentlemen? I am not lying to you. Oh, there's a nice one. Man, they don't want to get out of the water. Ooh. Come on. This is a little bit bigger one here. There we go. Spit.
Got one, baby. Mitchy Mitt. Mitt.
Come on, open your mouth, damn it. What the? Did I hook his mouth shut? I don't know. Why isn't this guy moving? Usually these guys are the most fighting fish I know.
Oh! That was a big hit. That's a nice one. Skinny one.
Yeah, it's really long. Uh-oh. I don't know where to grab him at. I think I got him. Stop! Reel it in.
Yeah, I just slowed down too much for that weed. Oh! That's a nice one.
There we go. On the buzzbait.